Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jenny Sapon, and today we're doing a Valentine's Day inspired look. So if you're interested and want to see how I create this look, hit subscribe and keep on watching. So for this Valentine's Day look, we are going to be using the Blush Crush and the Nude Mood, both by ColourPop. I did purchase these when they first came out, and I've been playing with it. And at first I really wanted to just use Blush Crush and create like a soft romantic look for Valentine's Day or date night, or you just love this color story. But I just did not like this look without using the Nude Mood, which I use basically almost every day that I wear my makeup since I've purchased this. And I feel like using these two together created just the most perfect Valentine's Day look, and for any date night or Valentine's Day, whichever one you celebrate. I'm just gonna pull back my hair and we're just gonna get started. Using the P. Louise eyeshadow base primer in Rumor 2, or Shade 2, however one you want to call this. And I've been using this underneath my eyeshadows as a primer, and it's amazing. I love it. I don't think I can switch back to a regular primer anymore, even though I think this is meant to create the ultimate canvas. Going in with Nude Mood, and I'm going to be using Bare to Wear and All Natural. I wish this collection came with a mirror, but unfortunately it didn't come with a mirror. I personally like Nude Mood more as far as like payoff, pigmentation, and just more of an everyday wear. I do love wearing my neutrals only because I do work in an office and I kind of have to be a little appropriate. But I do like Blush Crush. It was just hard to kind of work with. Some of the shadows were a little difficult to work with, but it is still a nice palette for what the price is. It's like both of these I think each were $14. So I mean, they're pretty, for $14 I am pretty impressed with it. So then I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, which is Cheek to Cheek in the Blush Crush palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and buff that in into my crease. Earlier today when I was filming my other video, there was just so much commotion going on outside, but I just didn't want to like not film because that would be an excuse to be lazy. And I've been loving filming with daylight. A lot of the times my videos are like pre-filmed because I can only film like on a Saturday or Sunday, which sucks, but it's fine. But once I blended Cheek to Cheek all in my crease and up to where I had blended All Natural, and so I'm going in with Blush Wine, which is the shade right here. And I'm going to buff this on to my outer V. If you like wearing lighter eye makeup and you're just not into the darker, bold colors, you can definitely just stop here and wear an eyeliner and wear a nice bold lip if you want. But I definitely like to pack on more since we are going out, and just because I don't get to wear as much color throughout the week, and when I do go out, I just like to wear more colors. So I'm just gonna keep on going. So I'm gonna take Made You Blush, this shade right here, and I'm just going to just slightly go over our transition shade with the two brown shades, just because I kind of wanted it a little more pink. And then I'm going to take the shade Moody, because I'm going to darken that up just a little bit on my outer V. So now taking Blush Wine and How Rouge, and I'm just going to gradually from the outer V and bring it right to the middle of the lid. Now I'm going to take the shade Pop It Bottle in the Blush Crush, and I'm just going to use my finger. I learned that using my finger with these shimmer shades in these ColourPop ones are a lot better than using a brush. And I'm just going to pop that in the center of the lid. I know my nails are a little long. My nail technician was just like he was just distracted and just wasn't going any shorter when I kept telling him to go shorter, and he just wasn't, and I'm like, okay, honestly not very happy, but I'm probably gonna go back in and get it super shorter or just shortened a little bit. And then I'm taking this brush, so it's like this, and I'm going in with Enamored, which is this pink shade right here, and I'm going over that shimmer shade. It pops more when it's like over that shimmer shade, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to go back in with these two shades. So it's Blush Wine and How Rouge. So these two right here. And I'm just going to go back in to our outer V just to blend everything out and make sure that it's still like shimmery, but it's still more like a dramatic look still, you know. Next, we're going to go ahead and apply some liner. I'm going to be using the Roller Liner by Benefit. I might just do a slight wing. Cool. And I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Truffled Liner. It's a brown liner. I love it. It's super creamy. And I'm going to use this for my bottom lash line. Because I don't like using, I used to wear like black liner when I first like started off wearing makeup. I would used to wear like black liner like on my lash line, like both top and bottom. And it just looked so harsh. So I want to just tie the entire look together. I'm going to be using Blush Wine, and I'm going to go into the shade Moody, and I'm going to pack the shadow onto my lash line just to kind of tie the entire look together. So next we're going to go ahead and do lips. For the lip liner, I'm going to be wearing the shade Crush. I'm going to go ahead and top the middle part with this lipstick and cream lipstick and Flirt. I'm going to top it off with Jealousy by Morphe, which I love. Sometimes I just wear this on top of Crush, but I wanted something a little more moisturizing. This is the completed Valentine's Day look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave